Hey guys, Jules from JRP here. Anybody who's familiar with what goes on in the Maranello Valley in Italy is familiar with the distinctive sound of the Tubi Style exhaust. Today, that's what we're putting on to this BMW M2 Competition. For the BMW M2 Competition, Tubi Style does produce a full turbo back exhaust with a downpipe featuring 100-cell high-flow catalytic converters. In this instance, the owner did opt to stay with the factory downpipes, however, the rest of the exhaust does bolt onto it. For the mid-pipe, you've got a bead-blasted middle section, which does eliminate the resonator, however, it does include an H-pipe for better flow and better sound. Along with the rest of the system, the tips are also exceptionally easy to install. You get your choice between satin black, polished stainless, brushed stainless, or even titanium. For this application, as you can see, we went with the 94mm satin black. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, the rear muffler section is entirely comprised of hand-polished 304 stainless steel. This also comes with factory-actuated electronic valve cutouts. In addition to the valving, you have a considerably smaller and lighter rear muffler section. All of this together contributes to the sonorous and distinct Tubi style sound. That was the install of the Tubi Style exhaust on this BMW M2 Competition. For more information on Tubi Style exhausts, or to get your own, just give us a call at Johnston Research and Performance.